Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change time in Audi Q7. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, turn on the ignition without starting the engine. You'll need to access the MMI system, which is your car's infotainment interface. From the main screen, navigate to the Setup or Settings menu. This is where you'll find all the customizable options for your vehicle, including time adjustments. Once you're in the Date and Time menu, you'll see options for setting the time and date. Select the time option. You can then use the MMI control knob to adjust the hours. Rotate the knob clockwise or counterclockwise to move through the hours. After setting the hour, push the knob to confirm and then rotate it again to adjust the minutes. It's a straightforward process to get the exact time. Beyond just setting the time, you can also customize how it's displayed. The MMI system allows you to switch between a 12-hour and a 24-hour format, depending on your preference. You can also adjust the date if needed, ensuring your car's calendar is accurate. There are usually options for different date display formats too, so you can pick the one that suits you best for clarity and ease of reading. Many Audi Q7 models offer an automatic time synchronization feature, often linked to GPS. Enabling this can save you from manual adjustments, especially during daylight saving changes. After making all your desired adjustments, always ensure you confirm and save the settings before exiting the menu. If you encounter any difficulties, your Audi Q7 owner's manual provides detailed, model-specific instructions for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.